Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer encrypted backups from Backblaze to local storage step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Log into your Backblaze account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the backup section of your dashboard. Locate the restore option and click on it. Select the type of files or data you wish to transfer. Look for the option that says Encrypted Backup if you have set up your backups with encryption. Choose the specific backup dates you want to restore. Once you've made your selections, click on the Continue button. Backblaze will prepare your files for download. You will be prompted to choose a download method. Select Download via email if you would like to receive a link in your email, or direct download for immediate access. For encrypted backups, you will need your encryption key. Make sure you have the key ready for the next step. If you opted for email, check your inbox for the download link and open it. When prompted, enter your encryption key to access your files. Download the files to your local storage. Choose a destination folder on your computer where you want to save the backups. Wait for the download to complete. Check the folder to ensure all files have been accurately transferred. You have now successfully transferred your encrypted backups from Backblaze to local storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.